didn't you? Is it on now?
Mm-hmm. So, are you new or
I don't think I want him in the clan, to be fair.
why?
What with his anger management issues, and the fact he has no microphone whatsoever. Poor Patrick.
You've been playing for a little bit.
Can you come over here, by the way?
Why?
I have an idea. No, never mind. Leaving it. Yep.
You do know that's recorded.
Hey, get away, they might take your weapon now. Guys, you can shoot them now. You're allowed to. Shoot them both. Hey, I just got shot in the back of my head.
I've got it recorded.
Yeah. Upload it, mate. Upload it. I'm not gonna take that shit anymore.
Are they speaking to you now?
No, they're not. Not saying a word. Nah, I'm sorry. I am just a simple scarecrow.
Hmm?
Okay. Sorry.
He's dead. Do not pick any of that stuff up. I suggest you go away. It's not RDM, mate. I've got it all recorded. It's not your stuff either, and I'm protecting the stuff. I suggest you don't pick it up. Nope.
User joined your channel.
Nice shot, mate. Is there a police car coming?
No idea.
Or hatchback?
Hatchback.
What colour?
It's the guys from before.
Alright.
Yeah, these two guys decided they wanted to pistol whip everyone. Yeah, this guy dead on the floor here killed these two people, so I shot him. I've got it recorded. Yes, it does. No. Yes, you can. Go to an admin. I've got this entire thing recorded, mate. Go to admin. That's why you've been rolling together.
Quite worried.
What are they saying? Hmm?
Oh, no medic, bro. No medic. Oh, shit.
Mate?